Hello friends, it's Sherry from Turquoise Dreaming. How's everyone doing today? Welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me. So today I am going to show you a new personal journal that I'm going to be using to just stash things that I want to keep, maybe some photos. I don't know, I'll just play it by ear. So yeah, I have gone through a few journals. Like I have a friend journal, and then I have another personal journal that was a big binder. So, and I have my Mimi's journal where I put pictures of my granddaughter and things that I want to remember from her, different stages as she grows. And I have my December dailies. Let me look back here. I have 3 of those. I have a glue book. So yeah, all of those. And I don't really have a personal journal right now. So I wanted to, instead of making one, I'm going to use one that I won in a giveaway from Aaliyah DePina. So I will link her channel in my description box. If you have not seen Aaliyah's channel before, go over and check her out because you will really like her channel. She makes a lot of journals and, paper crafting and things like that, like we all do. So I want to show you, I'm not going to like do a flip through of this journal or anything, but I want to show you what I'm putting in here to give you an idea. So this is not going to be like something I do every day. It's going to be a journal I have on hand to put in things as I get something. I get a little note from someone in the mail or, wherever, just a little something here and there, just kind of like a scrapbook. And this is Traveler's Notebook size. So Traveler's like official, what I call official standard or standard Traveler's Notebook size is 4 1/4 by 8 1/4. So this is probably about that. Yeah, that's 4 1/4 and 8 1/4. So right on the money there. And it's got some really pretty, looks like coffee dye maybe, or just pretty colored kind of, looks like sari silk. I have never really had official sari silk, like I've never bought any or anything, but one of these days I might have to break down and do that. I just have so many other pretty ribbons and things. I have never really felt the need to do that, but some sari silk, and then it has this beautiful flowery fabric that, I love, like calico type fabric, so really pretty. She's got some beautiful beads here dangling out the bottom at the little flower charm and a button. So, and it's sewn around, zigzag stitched here. And I could put something here. I can leave it like this because, I love this. So I don't know if I'll actually change that. But, well, if I ever see something that I would say, oh, that would be perfect right there, then I'll put it there. But I'll just kind of show you where I'm going to put this. I already looked a little bit to see what I was going to do with this. And it's just this one piece, and I'll tell you where I got this in a second. But I just flipped over a few pages, and I think it was this one right here that I thought it would look pretty on. It kind of like stands out, but it would be something cool to put on this page. This one has kind of purpley flowers. And I noticed the scrapbook paper that Aaliyah used kind of has a lot of flowers on it, like the cover. So that is cool. But I won this quite a few years ago. If Aaliyah sees this, she'll be like, oh my gosh. This is when I first started my YouTube channel. Actually, when I first started my YouTube channel, I think I like this one better right here. This was more pinky, and this is pink. So I think I might put it right here. But yeah, when I first started my YouTube channel, Aaliyah already had a YouTube channel. And she sent me my first Happy Mail, and I won this journal. Like the first journal I ever won was this one right here, and she, I won it from her. So, yeah. And she was the first subscriber on my YouTube channel, actually, too. So, yeah. She's like the first friend, my first YouTube friend. So, pretty cool. But I'll tell you what this is. It's kind of special because, it's not a big deal, but it's special because my youngest son went on a cruise recently, and he brought this back from Mexico. And it's, I don't know what this really says. I don't know. but it was a box, a little crate, a wooden crate of Mexican candy. So, that was nice that he thought of us and brought us something back. He didn't have to do that. So I could staple this in or glue it in. I think I'm going to try glue, and if I have any issues, I'll add a staple, but I thought it could be a cute little belly band right here, and then later on I can tuck something behind it. So isn't that the perfect little belly band to add here? I mean, if you were making a journal and you had this in your kind of, stash, crafty stash, this would be great too. I would love to have a bunch of these to use as belly bands. I think it's really pretty. It's got these pretty ladies here with the scarves and the little fan and the pink color, and it's got a green ribbon here, and I just think it's really pretty. So yeah, it's probably the most part of the little candy crate that I like the best. Yeah, so it was like a bunch of it's supposed to be caramel candy, and I did eat a couple pieces. And the wood crate is cute too. A little wood crate, I would like to find something to do with that. But at least I'm using the label. So putting it to good use here. I'll have to show him what I did with it, with the label. He'll be okay. He kind of likes to see, like, doesn't like, Mom, what are you making? He doesn't do anything like that. But if I show him something, he'd be like, oh, that's cool. Type of thing. Guys. You know how guys are. Okay, so I can see this is, that's what I was thinking. I didn't know if it would stick. I need to hold it down for a second, see if it'll stick here. But isn't that pretty? And this journal has a bunch of, pretty papers like this, which are, let me see, where's the other flowery one I saw here? The purple one. Let's see, it's right here. Yeah, they are single-sided. So on this side there's a pocket. And all the ephemera and everything that Aaliyah put in here is still in here. I've just been letting it sit here in my craft room until I was, ready to use it. I wasn't sure when that would be, but I knew, I was hoping and pretty much knew I would use it someday, and today is the day. So, yeah, let's see if this is sticking now. Yeah, it is sticking. If I have any trouble with it, like I said, I might just add a couple of my little tiny attacher. Just a couple of those little staples, one there, and one there, one there, one there would be cool and fine. And I think that would even look nice, But I'm going to leave it here with the glue for now. And none is seeping out here, so I'm not worried about these pages getting glued together. But yeah, here's this little journal. And let's see. I'm not going to do a flip through like I said, but see, Aaliyah coffee dyed the back of this scrapbook paper. I do that too, or I spritz color on it. See, here's a little flip. So yeah, go over and take a peek at Aaliyah's channel. Here's a little tuck spot with a little ruffle. Cute, right? It's these type of journals are great for, getting something like this, and then you have plenty of room to add all of your goodies into. And like I said, I'm going to use this for a scrapbook, or like I have my Mimi's journal, but then if I have, that's pictures of my granddaughter and maybe, her stuff. So this one can be pictures of whatever else. Like I'm probably going to use it for Christmas too. It's not, it's not Christmassy, but I don't care. It's just going to be like from now until whenever I fill it up. And so I think this is going to be fun, and it's going to get really chunky probably. So especially maybe around Christmas, we'll see what all I put in here. I can't fit a full-size card in here, but if I get any little gift tags or anything, whatever, I will be sticking them in here, and I'll show you how this develops. So I hope you enjoyed seeing the start of a new personal journal, and maybe this will give you some inspiration if you've won a journal or made a journal or bought a journal that you haven't used. This would be a good time to start using it really, through the holidays, and put some stuff in it, right? So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in my next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and I will see you tomorrow. Have a great day.